Do you traffic on your e-commerce store but low sales? I am Mahmudul Hassan and I am here to fix that exact problem for your business. I am a dedicated e-commerce SEO specialist who focuses on boosting real revenue, not just traffic. I optimize your product page directly for sales through technical SEO. I perfect your catalog architecture and SKU markup so every product show up easily for Google. And with GEO AEO, I ensure your local buyers find your product fast right when they need them. The result, every visitor turns into a paying customer. My work is data driven and ROI focused. I deliver sustainable growth for your e-commerce site that lasts for years. Ready to turn your website from just a store into a selling machine? Message me today. Let's take your e-commerce sales to new heights. Let's grow together.